Hi guys, I'm in Studio Kook factory showroom today. Let's check out space-saving furniture for your compact home. Starting off with the dressing table, they have beautiful options. And this one is so compact, looks like table only. But for surprise, they have sitting arrangement as well. Now everyone is obsessed with room dividing bookshelves. So what is your thought about this one? Looks stylish, right? Well, creating a kids room for two kids has always been a task, but not with Studio Kook. This on and on bed compact yet the best. After this, something your wife will be obsessed with, a 4-door spacious wardrobe. When we are talking about storage, how can we miss footwear organizer? So here's the one for you with stool. Then look at this white TV unit which comes with storage, which has 6 sections and looks so amazing. Does this looks like a side table? No, it's a mini bar. Just for you, here is another stylish mini bar as well. Okay, and here is something unbelievable. A 4-seater dining table that looks so compact, but when you open it, voila, enjoy your meal here. It's time for you to switch to Studio Kook to give your compact home space-saving furnitures.